everyone, you're welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How have we all been? It's a holiday in these parts, and but that doesn't stop us from bringing to you, something new every now and again. So today, I want to show you how we made this really beautiful nude ombre work shirt. Right? You can wear this to work. Last week we posted a skirt we call the Trinity skirt. You can totally wear this over your skirts and go to work. It works really great. Are you new to our channel? You should subscribe. We have beautiful loads of inspiration videos. We have loads of tutorial videos from which you can learn and add spice to your own crochet wardrobe. All right, without wasting our time, let's just go on. This shirt was made in 4 parts, right? The first part was the body. We made the body first, and the body started from the base just above this slit. Started from here and worked our way up to the armpit. This shirt was made for a size small, say an 8 size 8 individual. Yeah, that's what this shirt was made for. All right, so we made this body. We worked in the diagonal, from side to side and back using single crochet stitches. So that was the first part, for this shirt. So from here we walked all the way up to the armhole point, right? And after that, we made room for the armhole, which is this point right here, without the sleeves. Of course, the sleeves were attached, and then we're going to show you how we did that later. So we at this point we separated the project, right, the body of the project. We walked the front panel, the front right panel, and then we walked the front left panel, and then we now did the same for the back. We walked the back all the way up. That was the first part. The second part of what we did is that after that, we now worked the base. We wanted to slit it. All right. So, of course, we also separated it into 3 panels: the front right, the front left, right, and then the back. So we worked those parts individually and then edged them first, and then went on to work the collar. We worked the collar as usual. Yeah, we used single crochet stitches all around. This whole project is worked in single crochet stitches, and then we infused chains to work to create the edgings, right? So the collar, we all know how to work collars. If we don't, I'd like to see a comment in the comment section so that I can show us how we work collars. We work this angular collar, right? And then after that, we worked the flaps, or call it the button flaps, where the buttons will be and the button holes. So we worked this part, as you can see, and then we added the buttons. Now to the sleeves, right? I'm going to put a link in the description box below where you can see how we attached the sleeves. The sleeves are pretty much worked, same style, single crochet stitches, right? Yeah, and then that video, which we're gonna put a link to it in the description box, shows you how we attached it. We made room for the shoulder level and then increased as we needed to take into consideration the width of the bicep. So this is what works. So essentially, to work a shirt like this, you have to measure, right? The measurements you're going to need to work this shirt is going to be the bust area, right? The hip, the midpoint, which is the waist, right? You're going to need to know the biceps, the width of the biceps of this individual. You're going to need to know the width of the shoulder, because all of that would matter. You don't want the sleeves jutting out, beyond the shoulder point. You want it to sit really perfect, and this came out really beautifully. And then we added these buttons, alternating the different styles of buttons. If you look closely, you'll see these are smoother buttons, and then these ones are a little bit rough. All right, so like I said, subscribe, yeah, comment, let us know what new videos you'd like to see from us, and we're happy to oblige you. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know your thoughts about this beautiful outfit in the comments. Bye for now.